Want a podcast quality audio without spending a dime? You don't need a premium account to sound like pro. Guess what? For a free account user, you have got more than enough power to transform your audio into something amazing. Today, I will show you how to enhance your voice using Adobe Podcast and Adobe Audition, all for free. So, as you can see, I have recorded this audio for testing purpose only. So, if I try to play this, you can hear. Welcome to Skype call testing service. After a beep, please record a message. After it, your message will be played back to you. This audio is very noisy and my sound is not clear. So at first you have to go to podcast.adobe.com and you have sign in through your Gmail account, and when I go to plan, you can see I'm using free account and you can purchase premium for only $10 for a month, and you can see the limitation here: per day 1 hour and 30 minutes clip maximum duration, and you have to upload audio. And for premium account you can upload video file as well. Pre-plan is perfect for most of us. Now I'm going to click on tool and I'm going to click on enhance space. Next, what I will do, I will right click on recording and show in folder. So that I can get the location, I have to right click on this and copy as path. You can do this, or alternatively you can do something like this: drag and drop the audio clip. Right now I believe Adobe Podcast support M4A and MP3 file format audio for free account, and your recording must have to be less than 30 minutes long. So as you can see, Adobe Podcast enhance this clip. So I am going to click on download to download the audio file. It will download as WAV wave format. Now what I will do, I will go to my download folder and music, and as you can see, this is the recording. I have to copy this path so that I can open this on Adobe Audition. Now using Adobe Audition, I will open the clip. I will paste this here. As you can see, this is my clip. So first of all, I will go to effect and I will go to amplitude and compression. From here, I am going to select multiband compression and I am going to use broadcast. Click apply. Okay, now I'm going to go to filter and EQ and I'm going to click on parametric equalizer. And from here I have to select vocal enhancement and click apply. Next we have to go to effect again and we have to go to amplitude and compression, and we have to click on dynamics. Check this compression, and for ratio we have to select 3, and for makeup we have to select 10 and click apply. From diagnostics we have to click on delete silence, and from here you can see we have to select clean up podcast interview, this preset, and you have to click on scan and delete all. So I'm welcome to Skype call testing service. After a beep, please record a message. After it, your message will be played back to you. So as you can see, this is great. We have to click on file and save as. Then we have to select our desktop or anywhere you want to save. And next, for file format, I'm going to select MP3. After selecting MP3 as file format, you have to just click OK, click yes, and you will get a crystal clear audio using Adobe Podcast and Adobe Audition. If this helped, please hit that like button, subscribe for more free creative hacks, and drop a comments if you want a full tutorial on audio audition preset or podcast mastering. Until next time, keep creating.